Last week on Three Things Live, we launched Operation Organization.
We looked at your sewing rooms and, well, you need a little bit of help. No, trust me, we do too.
So we invited our good friend Corinne Wells from Riley Blake Designs to show us how to fold and store your quilts.
Suzanne shared a creative way to use up your scrap fabric. Vern helped us find ways to get a little more organized. Then we finished up by adding a little bling to our iron cases.
It was another week of Can't Miss TV on Three Things Live. Join us every Monday through Wednesday at 1 p.m. Mountain and 3 p.m. Eastern. Can't join us live? Watch it on demand via Facebook or YouTube by clicking the links below.
Three Things Live is where we always have something to make you smile,
Something to learn.
and something to discover.
Let's go!